Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here inside our Advanced Manufacturing Technology Lab. Today I'm talking with our Program Director, Mr. Andy Zwanch. Andy, thank you so much for being with me today.
Thank you for having me, Dr. Katie.
Sure, so tell me a little bit about how you got involved in the industry and how long you've been a part of it.
It was the mid-70s and I had some service-related jobs that just it didn't really fit my style. So I got into manufacturing, slowly started machining, and I wanted formal training, so I came to Johnson School of Technology at the time. I graduated from their tool and die making program, and I got a nice career with a state apprenticeship program, and it gave me a wealth of knowledge.
Great, and it all started right here at Johnson College. So tell me a little bit about what the students of today learn in advanced manufacturing.
The students today, we focus a lot on safety. Safety is very key with everything that we do. They learn some introduction to electricity, some sensors and systems, programmable logic controllers. They do blueprint reading. We also do manual lathe work, setup and operations, manual mill, CNC lathe and mill, and CAD/CAM.
That's so much in just 2 years, and they certainly are industry ready. So talk a little bit about the job opportunities that are available to them upon graduation.
Upon graduation, if the student wants to remain on the shop floor making parts, they could. If they want to get into management, maybe get into inspection, maybe in a few years go for engineering, or they could get in academia where they could actually share their trade and knowledge with other students.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for sharing an overview of our Advanced Manufacturing Technology program and for being with me today.
Thank you, Dr. Katie.